How to download Shein application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download the Shein application for both Android and iOS device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly in Android device, you need to head towards Google Play Store. Then after in the search bar, simply type Shein. After that, hit the search icon and in the results at the top you will see Shein application. Then after you need to click on the option of install and shortly the application will be installed in your device. Now if you don't see the option of Shein in this Google Play Store list, simply head toward any web browser in your device. I'm using Chrome here and then in the search bar you simply need to type download Shein APK. After that, when you hit the search icon, you will see a lot of websites providing you the APK download for Shein application. So simply click on any one of it and now when you click on download APK, you will be able to install the APK file of Shein and then after you click on the downloaded document, you need to choose the option of install. And shortly, Shein application will be installed in your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can download the Shein application for both iOS and Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.